So when I took the course, I was an assistant manager. Then I got promoted as a deputy manager after all these implementations that I just mentioned above. That was about having social campaigns run, having the website restructured, revamped, let's say, with the right optimization techniques. All of that together put me into promotion of this role. And yeah, I'm doing well now. I'm doing well and I know things much better, and I can back it with data, with analytics. So it's easy for me to make decisions as well of what is working, what is not working, and that is helping me out. I was an assistant manager here before joining this course, and I wanted to upskill myself. That was my main motive. Especially, I had been assigned with the role of digital marketing, and I had very less knowledge about it. Like, I just knew the basics, what any youngster would probably know. But then I browsed across through a lot of courses, and this particular digital marketing course with IntelliPack really inspired me a lot because it had a well-structured curriculum. I really liked the module of self-paced learning, and most importantly, the industry-recognized certifications, which was really an add-on to my career as well. So this is what made me choose IntelliPack. The practical experience of the mentors was really helpful. In fact, not just the practical experience, I would say, also the way they were making us do assignments, they were making us try hands-on so that we also get an experience of what exactly we are not just reading, we are also experiencing it. So this really was very helpful. It motivated us to take a step forward, and it was also boosting our confidence. But then the LMS portal really helped me a lot because it is very user-friendly, especially the recordings of the sessions also that I have missed, so that it is not the knowledge that I have lost. That really helped me a lot. Plus everything at one, it is like a one-stop solution. You have all the recordings, you have all the study material, you have all the assignments up there. And the best part is self-paced learning, because especially nowadays, being a working professional, it gets very difficult to stick to a schedule. Even if you have planned a schedule, it sometimes gets difficult because of professional commitments. But then the portal really helped me gear up in my comfortable manner. The digital marketing course by IntelliPath was in fact supported by company Healthier MedTech in order to help me upskill myself. So few areas that I really could master was, in fact, few projects that I successfully completed after doing the course was more into the digital analytics. I was able to use Google Analytics very well. I managed to revamp my company's website and have a new one constructed, which is more friendly, with right search engine optimization of how the results are now reflecting when somebody searches for my company's product. Plus, also the social media boost really helped me a lot. So that is the same example that I set over here of how this course benefited me. I have in fact recommended it to a few of my colleagues as well. I had shared across the course links with them because this course helped me learn practical skills. It gave me confidence of taking up the new responsibilities. And I just tell everyone the same thing, that all what you need to do when you enroll for this course is, one, be consistent and make the best out of all the live classes, and ensure that you do not keep any doubts folded onto you. You just need to shoot it so that it's clarified well. And last but not the least, let's say, trust the process because you need to be equally involved to ensure that you get the best out of the course. So when I took the course, I was an assistant manager. Then I got promoted as a deputy manager after all these implementations that I just mentioned above. That was about having social campaigns run, having the website restructured, revamped, let's say, with the right optimization techniques. All of that together put me into promotion of this role. And yeah, I'm doing well now. I'm doing well and I know things much better. And I can back it with data, with analytics. So it's easy for me to make decisions as well of what is working, what is not working, and that is helping me out.